Hey guys, long time no see. I hope you're as excited about or as looking forward to my new project as I am, kind of. We'll see what happens, you know. My hair is definitely different than I intended. I had it down and it looked awesome, but it's way too hot for that nonsense. My intention today was I was gonna go into Warrensburg and explore, just do whatever I felt like doing, because Warrensburg it's kind of comfortable. It's a university town and all that. But I had to drop off a movie at the library in Knob Noster, which is a tiny little spat of a town. I don't even think that was the right word. I wanted to say spit because it's like just spit and there's the whole town. So when I was on my way here, I passed this little kind of downtown area. It's very tiny, but I'm like, you know what? I've never been to these places, so why not this be where I explore today? So I'm gonna do that. It's probably gonna take a total of 10 minutes, but we'll see. The best friend that I had in New Mexico, she really taught me the importance of exploring where you are and appreciating where you live. And I've never forgotten that. So I may live in the middle of nowhere again, surrounded by tiny towns. There's more tiny towns. There's green stuff, you know, but let's go to these places that are here and not be like, it's tiny, I'm not gonna go there. I'm gonna go to this other slightly bigger town. If you haven't noticed that my teeth look funny, it's because I have my Invisalign now. This is actually the last day for me to wear the first set. I got them 3 weeks ago tomorrow. So then I'm supposed to wear each set for 3 weeks, and then I switch to the next, blah, blah, blah. And it hurt for the first couple days. It's good now. This is cool. I only recently found out that this was soon to be opening, and I just happened to park right in front of it. That's pretty awesome. I messaged them, and so far they're not going to have any vegan flavors, but they are looking into it. Sorbet and non-dairy ice cream. But I think it's on Labor Day, or sometime around Labor Day. Their first day open is going to be coming for $1 scoops of ice cream, so that's why I was excited. This is a florist. I won't go in there. Let's go to this. That was fun. I didn't film everywhere I went, but I filmed a couple places. It's nice. If you are an introvert who just wants a day to go somewhere by yourself, or you like antiquing and you go with friends, whatever, it's a nice place. But kind of especially excited about the B Squared place. It's a computer repair shop that also sells awesome things, and I talked with the owner for quite a while. He has a lot of ambition for the place, like having an area for kids' birthday parties, and sometime having gaming consoles set up so that if you bring your stuff in to get repaired, you can just sit there and play video games while you wait for it. And it's pretty awesome. I got the business card, and on the back it actually lists all the services provided: smartphone repair, laptop and computer repair, new and refurbished computer systems, IT support for networks, clouds and printers, data recovery, virus removal, password recovery, anime comics and gaming merchandise. And they make house calls! That's a big deal, I think. Especially for like stay-at-home moms or something, or working working moms. You know, you're at home with kids and they're going crazy and you're like, I have to get my computer working, but darn it, I'm not gonna try and settle these kids down to get them all in the car to go to a small shop and sit still for a while, keep them from destroying merchandise. Recently, there was a Pokemon Go event and they had passports at that place, and you can go to local businesses, get your passport stamped, and then turn it back in for to be entered into a drawing for a prize. And they also had someone walking around with in a Pikachu costume, and I've actually seen something about that on Facebook. Of there's a rentable Pikachu. You can hire someone to dress as Pikachu for your party or whatever. I stuck to only businesses that are like right here on this street. But there's still more. There's one right over on the corner that I didn't even think about going to until I sat down in the car. But I'm gonna drive around for a bit more so that I can explore and get ideas for where I can go another day. And traffic is at a point where I can pull out now. All right, look, car wash. I'm gonna turn around here. This is a bad time to be here. It's so hot and humid. Ugh, even the breeze is hot. But it's pretty. You're not gonna see anything like this where we lived in New Mexico. For some reason, I always think of Alaska when I come here. Not that I've been to Alaska. I think I just watched too many Dude Like Hella videos. Oop, bees. A bee touched me. Right on the wrist. I never actually came to Knob Noster State Park until Pokemon Go was released. I looked it up online to see what they had, and I just never turned in here. There's a spot over here that's a spawn area for Pokemon. Usually it's Psyduck or Magikarp, but the whole park is kind of a Magmar nest, which is great. And I caught a Tauros here once. I don't remember where, I just know that I did a lot of walking. Where I'm standing right now is about where the spawn area is. It kind of stretches to across the rocks. Because I think it was up here that I actually finally caught my first Magikarp. But the lake looks so much prettier from this angle. If it's a lake, it might be a pond, I don't know. It's water and it's kind of big.
And it's all you and me.
I'm home now. I took a quick shower and I'm gonna work on a script and also a trip coming up. I'm so excited about it. Don't know if I should say anything about it yet because not everything is set completely. It's something I've kind of looked forward to for 9 years. Not like strongly, but my sister has definitely strongly looked forward to it, and now it's finally happening and it's less than 2 weeks away. I'm going to book a room with Airbnb for the first time ever, so I'll definitely let you guys know how that goes. Thanks for joining me today, even though it was really chill. At least I got out of the house. It's not gonna be I don't get out of the house very much because I don't have a job. I really do appreciate the very few views that I get on my videos. And I'm hoping that this new thing that I have going here works out. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any suggestions or comments, leave them in the comments section. See you guys.